What? How am I supposed to recreate that?
Oh,
wait, click on it, girl.
When I said I got it, I meant I had to change it. You know, one of a kind sometimes just can't be recreated.
It's that time of year again. We're all frantically, last minute, trying to find that costume for Halloween last minute. Did I say last minute? Am I a last minute person? It's that time of year again.
Last minute, speak for yourself. You know Halloween's my Super Bowl.
You've been planning this since the summer.
But today we are putting our DIY hats on to recreate some celebrity looks that you may not suspect. They're different, but you're definitely gonna love them.
We each are gonna be given 2 celebrity looks that we have to recreate.
And then we're gonna join forces to create like a celebrity bestie look together.
I love that.
Cute.
All right, let's get the spooky challenge going. So it's Taylor Swift Eras Tour 2023.
Oh, that's a cute outfit.
It's a fun outfit, but like, I think I could definitely find that jacket. I've seen it, I think on like Nasty Gal. Yeah. And the thing about this outfit is like, if you wear it, you know
what
it's like
is.
Taylor Swift's outfit, you know?
I got the long hair, slicked back, white t-shirt.
Okay, so now I have my look.
Yes.
Let me see if I can actually replicate it and find it.
Honestly, you could probably just
Fringe.
Google fringe
Oh yeah,
jacket.
fringe
Eras
jacket, Nasty Gal. Because I know there's definitely, look, fringe jacket, Nasty Gal. Oh, that's literally what she's wearing.
That's literally it.
I'm just gonna look one more time.
Fair.
Multi-color fringe jacket, Taylor Swift. Oh, this one, Etsy.
Oh. See, Etsy.
This is it. It's $200, but yo, I think I killed this. I found everything to a T. Like, I'm going to be the brown Taylor Swift.
A replica with chocolate.
With chocolate.
So the next look is mine, and it is Beyonce, the Renaissance Tour, okay? Listen, I'm excited, but this is gonna be impossible to recreate.
Honestly, I think you might be able, like, people are so quick with it. I bet you someone's selling that exact outfit online right now.
Okay, let me see what I can find.
Yeah, good luck. Good luck. See, no, you gotta put, no, look.
But those are pictures of her.
No, you gotta put, like, black hands. You can't put gloves.
Okay, black hands.
See?
Oh!
$24.
Look how crappy it looks.
$24.
I'm going to look.
I told you to be able to find it.
Oh, it's gonna
Wait, click on it.
I
Click
like
on
that one, but it doesn't look like it.
Click on
Ew.
it. Click on it. Girl! Girl!
Why does it look so scary?
I may not say it, but I'm terrified.
Woo! Okay, so that was clearly a struggle, but something got ordered. Okay, all right, Jackie, on the count of 3. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, Beyonce! Beyonce is such a Beyonce!
Okay, I have things to explain because I know I'm supposed to be in the bodysuit with the hands.
Yeah, what happened?
So when I said I got it, I meant I had to change it to the America Has a Problem costume because I couldn't find hands. You know, one of a kind sometimes just can't be recreated.
Wait, do it. Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. And then is this the one where she goes like this?
Yes, it creeps me out. I don't like it, actually.
America has a problem. America has a problem. Okay, so my outfit, pretty much head to toe, is from Amazon. My glasses are $14.99, my gloves are $12.95, and my corset is $87.
Dang!
Yeah, but
I mean, it is a really great corset. And I think you killed it. I think you killed it.
America has a problem. That's the name of the song, by the way. Don't come for me.
So, when I was searching for the Taylor Swift outfit, it all came really quick. I did find this jacket on Etsy. It wouldn't come in time, so I shipped it and got this from Nasty Gal. It still is like literally a replica of like Taylor Swift. And then I found this bodysuit on Amazon. I was like, holy crap! Like it's like. It looks expensive.
It does look expensive. It looks like a dance costume minus the boobs.
Yeah,
but like,
I don't know why they did this.
I don't know either, but the costume itself looks really nice.
If you just cut this out, but if you are trying to be Taylor Swift and you're white,
then it works.
Then it absolutely works. Yeah. And then I got these boots too from Amazon as well, and because Taylor Swift was wearing a blue bedazzled boots, and I can't believe I like found everything so fast.
The boots are so nice.
Like look at it's
like they look high quality.
Karma is my boyfriend.
Hey.
Wait, Karma is his girlfriend. How does it go?
Okay.
Okay, listen. Together, we have boosted the economy.
Truly.
Beyonce and Taylor Swift's tours were the biggest tours of the year.
They really were.
Nod to them. But it's time to rate these puppies, okay? Using the pumpkin emoji.
Okay.
Jackie, what's it gonna be on a scale of 1 to 5? Rate me.
Rate you?
Yeah, what do we think?
Honestly, you're spot on. I know exactly who you are, the glasses. I think you're just missing like a headpiece or something.
You know, some like
yeah,
little
something,
goggles.
and that would have really taken it to a 5. So I'm gonna give you
Yeah.
a 4.5 pumpkin emojis because you absolutely killed it. You just needed like one more accessory to really nail Beyonce.
Thanks.
What about
Okay,
me?
I'm gonna give you a 5. I think this
Yeah!
is so awesome. I think each piece looks so good. It looks really authentic. You did a really good job.
Thanks. I think we both killed it.
Woo!
Woo! Halloween.
Woo!
Here's my next look. So this is Kim Kardashian's look from the Met Gala 2023. Like, what? How am I supposed to recreate that?
Girl.
Where am I supposed to get that? That is like a custom, like, Met Gala is like one of, like, what?
That is so
I honestly don't know what to even type in right now. Like, I don't know where to go to find this, but it is a good look.
It's a fabulous look.
I'm a look like the busted version of Kim K. People are gonna be like, who are you supposed to be?
Not busted, just interpretive.
All right, let me go to Fashion Nova first and see if they got something similar to this. I doubt it.
Jesus, it's true.
Oh, okay. So that top isn't exactly like, it doesn't look exactly like the dress, but
It could work though.
it can. We knew going into this one it was gonna be challenging, but I didn't think it was gonna be that challenging, and I learned something. And you know.
My second outfit, it's I Spy's Rolling Loud in Miami for 2023.
You can find that anywhere. You can literally go on Amazon right now and find your outfit in 2 seconds. Yeah. Look at you.
Here I go.
What? I get the hard
my
one.
outfit.
Yeah, she's gonna have so much fun.
Velour zip
Done.
hoodie.
Boom, it's gonna pop up. There it
There we go.
is.
Was hers hot pink like that? Or
I don't know, I think it was more of like a baby pink than a hot pink.
Oh, okay. That was definitely way easier than the Beyonce look.
Oh, thank goodness. All right, Drew, are you ready for this next round?
Ready?
Okay, on the count of 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, Kim Kardashian, is that you?
I Spice!
Get out.
Y'all, I really tried with this outfit. First of all, anything that Kim Kardashian probably wears to a carpet is like custom made.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna give me one of her most complicated outfits. So I really just had a major challenge. With the challenges that I was facing, I feel like I didn't do so bad.
I think you did a really good job for how difficult this was.
I covered my whole entire body, and let me tell you, the only reason I have a whole pearl outfit on my body right now is because I stumbled across this dress from Miu Miu that is just a literal pearl dress. And then what you're seeing down here to extend it, because Kim's dress is, you know, it's a maxi dress. It goes all the way down to her ankles. The budget's too much. How many pearls do you want me to buy? This dress was like $189, and then the pearl separate things, I think they were like 30 or 40 bucks. So like, how many pieces am I gonna buy?
I think you did a really good job, honestly. That's a really hard costume.
So
to
I have one of the tops down here. I got Spanx because she has this weird Spanx thing
yes.
underneath. She has this bedazzled choker. I bought 2 separate ones from Amazon to make it into
smart,
one.
Smart.
And then, like a cloak. Like, I'm sorry.
A for effort.
It wasn't. This is as good as y'all gonna get, and it's on Amazon. You know who I am.
You know who she is.
Do you know who I am?
I think you look like a pearl goddess.
Thank you. Hey,
On the
Ice Spice.
contrary,
Look, you nailed
This
this.
was very simple.
Yeah.
I'm Ice Spice. Y'all don't come for me. I don't know a lot of mannerisms or songs, but I know. Okay, so I found everything from Fashion Nova and Amazon. So the velour hoodie is Fashion Nova, the shorts are Fashion Nova, and the stockings, I believe, are also Fashion Nova. But the necklace and the belt are Amazon.
Love.
And I couldn't find Princess, but I found Queen.
Well, you are a queen, so accurate, you know? You rate me first.
This was a really difficult one to do.
It was.
And I think that it was a great effort. I'm gonna give you a 4.
That's being really.
It is very
Give
nice.
me what you really
I'm
want.
gonna give you a 3.5.
Okay.
I mean, like I think this is like, yes, like how close could you really get to that? This, I feel like you could have found some better fabric than that. But like,
Fair.
that's the only thing.
Listen, you literally. Wow. Yeah, that just brought me up a point. You get 5 pumpkin emojis. Like you got her to a T.
2-hit wonder.
All right, our last and final celebrity recreation Halloween costume is Selena Gomez and Taylor Swift Grammys 2016.
Oh my god, I remember this.
I remember when they walked out on this carpet. The outfits then were very iconic.
Yeah.
But the thing is, we have to decide who is who.
Okay, so this is messed up.
Honestly, I already know. Like, you get this. You're Sparkle. You gotta be Selena.
No.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Okay?
On boom.
No, on shoot. What is boom?
What is
rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
Or rock, paper, scissors, boom. You're right. That's wrong.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Best 2 out of 3.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bam!
Okay, now we need.
Now this is 0. Then we're here.
Oh god, I'm sweating a little bit.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I don't even know which one I want to be. I think I'm gonna go with Taylor's. Sorry.
Selena Grammys, sparkle, blue,
Dress.
gown. This is the dress at hopeprom.com. It literally is a picture of Selena for the dress for $164. So I don't know exactly what the dress looks like.
That's
but
how you know it's
should we
not
trust
real.
it?
No, it's just a picture of Selena Gomez wearing the dress.
Wait, no, that's no review. Okay, so we're not going with hopeprom.com.
Nope.
This is challenging. This is challenging. Okay, Taylor.
I'm gonna have to for sure buy
Orange
this separately.
tube top. And the thing about the bottom, it's like a squirt. Like a pink squirt. You're gonna look.
It's not a skirt, it's a maxi. But it's not
Whoa.
high. Wait, sorry.
You can buy 2 of them.
For what?
Buy 2 and like,
Oh,
you know.
but I need it to be high waisted.
That's not bad though.
Yeah, that's not bad. I'm gonna save it.
I feel like maybe you'll be able to find something.
All right, Jackie, you ready for the final round?
I can't wait for this one.
Okay.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Hi, bestie.
Hey, bestie!
Yay! Yay!
This looks so great. Like this interpretation, it's amazing.
So it is different. I did a little remix version. I couldn't find exact.
But I know exactly
skirt.
who you are.
Especially when we're together, like
Yeah.
you know who we are. And this is exactly. This is literally like a replica.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Killed
Actually, Amazon let me down. But then I remembered, oh my gosh, you guys did an episode where you did celebrity dresses lookalikes.
We did.
And so I talked to producer Phoebe and I was like, Phoebe!
Smart.
Do you guys still have that exact replica dress of Selena? She said yes, and technically we did the workshopping. I didn't do it for this, but the point was to recreate. I went to the closet
You did.
and recreated.
And you remember that it was there. I say work smarter, not harder. And if you have a dress that is literally a replica of Selena, why not?
Anywho's, your outfit, where'd you get it from?
So the skirt is from Fashion Nova, and I believe the tube top is from Amazon.
Nice.
And the choker, I think, is also from Amazon.
Killed it.
This is 5s across the board. It looks exactly like it. I think you did a really good job.
5 across the board. Honestly, like, is it exactly her skirt?
No.
But like the colors, you got the colors perfectly. The jewelry.
The choker's a little different too.
It doesn't matter. Like, I still give it a 5. It's killing it.
Thank you. Good job. Look at my elbow.
Ooh, good. We should recreate their photo.
Ding.
We killed it!
We did it!
It's really hard to recreate celebrities like couture red carpet outfits.
Yeah.
And I think we killed it.